So welcome to my simulation for the Tinkercad prototype, and this is for task 3, wherein it is the 74138 IC. So I'm gonna start the simulation, and let's test the truth table. So based on the truth table, if we have E1 as high, then all outputs must be logic 1. So here it is, all bulbs are turned on, E1 is high. Next is E2 is high. Still, the bulbs must be all logic 1. As you can see, they are all turned on. And then E3 is low. E3 is low. It's logic 0. Still, the bulb is all are turned on. So I'm moving on to the next value. So if E3 is high, and then now we can see that, and this A2 A10 also low, or logic 0. The Y0 is at low, logic 0. So next is for 1, we must have to turn on A0. So Y1 is turned off. For Y2, A1 must be turned on. So Y2 is at logic 0. For Y3, both A1 and A0. So as you can see, it's here. A1 and A0 are high. Next for A4, A2 must be high. For A5, A2 and A0 must be high. Sorry, Y5. For Y6, A2 and A1 must be high. And for Y7, all outputs must be high. So as you can see, in the active low circuit, which is simulated in Tinkercad, this is the result for task 3. So I'll move on to task 4, wherein it is the 74154 IC. So based on the truth table, when all inputs are logic 0, here logic 0, Y0 is also the only one, it is logic 0. So what if it, let's try to test all values for Y1, since it is active low, right? So the enabled pins are at logic 0. Y1, we must turn on A. As you can see, Y1 is logic 0. For Y2, B must be turned on. For Y3, A and B must be high. So Y3. For Y4, C must be turned on. For Y5, C and A. Here, Y5. Y6, C and B. Sorry. And Y7, C, B, and A. C, B, A. So, as you can see, Y7 is at logic 0. For Y8, it must be corresponding to D, must be turned on, since D is 2 raised to 4. Sorry, 2 raised to 3, sorry. And let's try turning on all. It must be Y15. So when we try to turn on the enable pin and turn off the switches, let's try if E1 is high and E2 is low, all bulbs must be turned on. So if both E1 and E2 are high, sorry, so still both bulbs must be turned on. And This is my simulation for uh, task 4.